Okay, we got a 98 Dodge 1500 4x4 V8 5-speed, and the problem we're having is when you hit the brakes, the pedal doesn't come all the way back up on its own if you have the clutch in at the same time. It'll come all the way up when you release the clutch, or you have to lift up on the back of the pedal with your foot. The problem is really being caused by the linkage for the brake pedal and the clutch pedal. They share the same pivot point. It needs to be taken apart and cleaned. Here's a quick, easy fix for this problem if you're having it. Take this cover off right here. All right, get this spring kit from O'Reilly's or wherever you can get it, and you're gonna take the big spring. I drilled a little hole right here and hooked the spring on the back of the pedal. I know it's a redneck fix, but hey, you know, it saves the customer money and this is what they want to do. And boom, problem solved. Pedal always returns all the way to the top. The spring isn't being stretched too far when you push down. A lot of vehicles have return springs for the brake pedal anyways, so we're just retrofitting this on there.